Hi friends, welcome to my channels. Now I am going to discuss Indian politics articles, fundamental rights article 12 to 35. Now I am going to discuss about article 19, right to freedoms. Article 19, right to freedoms. Protections of certain right. Article 19, protections of certain rights regarding freedom of speech. Protections of certain right regarding freedom of speech. Article 19 provided six freedom to the citizens of India. Article 19 provided six freedom of the citizens of India. First one is the freedom of speech and expression. Freedom of speech and expressions of the citizens of India. Freedom to associate peaceful, freedom to assemble peaceful without arms. Freedom to assemble peaceful without arms. Freedom to assemble peaceful without arms, any dangers. Freedom from associations or union of cooperative society. Freedoms of association. Freedom of associations or union. Freedom of associations or union of cooperative societies. Three. Freedom to form associations or union of the cooperative society. Freedom of the association or union of the cooperative societies. 5. Freedom to reside and settle any part of the territory of India. Freedom to settle and reside or residential areas of this union. Of freedom to reside and settle in any part of the territory of India. 6. Freedom to participating any profession to carry on any occupation, trade or business. Freedom to participating any professions to carry on any business or occupations, etc. Article 19(1)(f) says that right to property was removed. Article 19(1)(f) says that right to property was removed by the 44th Constitutional Amendment Act. 44th Constitutional Amendment Act under Article 300A. Right from the Cooperative Societies Act 1901C become a fundamental right. So 97th Constitutional Amendment Act 2011. Next one, Constitutions had laid down some reasonable restrictions. Constitution has laid down some reasonable restrictions on the exercise of this freedom, of state to strike balance between freedom of the state to strike balance between the individual liberty of the citizens. Freedom of speech and expression. Next one is freedom of speech and expression is subjected to reasonable restrictions in the interest of sovereignty. Sovereignty and integrity of India's security of state. Indian security of state. Friendly relations with Indian security of the state and friendly relationship with the relations to the foreign states, public orders, foreign states and public order dependency of the morality in the relations to contempt of the court and in the relation to the contempt of the court. Defamations or incitements to an offense, defamations and incitement of the offense of the court. Next, sovereignty and integrity. Sovereignty and integrity of India in public order are the ground on which reasonable restrictions can be laid in the freedom of speech. The reasonable restrictions can be laid to assemble peacefully. The reasonable of the restrictions can be laid to the assemble peacefully. Okay. Freedom from association. Freedom from associations and union. Freedom of associations and union can be restricted on the grounds of sovereignty and integrity. Of the grounds of sovereignty and integrity of India, of public orders morality. Of India in the public order morality. Next freedom to move freely. Freedom to move freely and reside there. Freedom to move freely and reside there to allow or settles in any part of India. To allow or settles in any part of India. Can be restricted on grounds of interest on general public or protections of the interest of any scheduled tribes. Freedom to move freely and resides and settles allow in any such particular place in any part of India. any particular place में रह सकता है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. Can be restricted on the grounds of interest of general public or protections of the interest of any scheduled tribe, on the protections of any scheduled tribes. Implied rights under freedom of speech and expressions. First, right to propagate one's view. Right to propagate one's view and view of others. Right to propagate one's view and view of others. Second, freedom of press. प्रेस जो मीडिया है ना, न्यूज़पेपर, फ्रीडम ऑफ प्रेस. फ्रीडम ऑफ कमर्शियल एडवर्टाइजमेंट जो आर्ट देता है टेलीविजन न्यूज़पेपर में जो आर्ट होता है ना. फ्रीडम ऑफ कमर्शियल एडवर्टाइजमेंट. देन राइट एगेंस्ट टैपिंग और टेलीफोन कॉन्फ्रेंस. राइट एगेंस्ट टैपिंग और टेलीफोनिक कॉन्वर्सेशन. Right against tapping of telephonic conversations. Right to telecast or broadcast. Right to telecast or broadcast means जो टेलीकास्ट होता है, जो टेलीविजन में ब्रॉडकास्ट जो होता है ना, प्रोग्राम होता है, उनके कोई ब्रेक नहीं होना पाएगी. Right against bond called by political party or organization. Right against bond called by a political party or organization. Right against bond by the political party or organizations. right to know about the government activities, right to know about the government activities and rights to information, and right to information, right to know about the government activities and right to information, and right to informations. Freedom. The next one is freedom of silence. Next one is the freedom of silence. Freedom of silence. Then right to demonstrate. Right to demonstrate, but the right to strike. Right to demonstrate, but right to strike. These are the Article 19, right to freedom of fundamental right. Article 12 to 35. Article 12 to 35. Thanks. Please share, subscribe, and click the bell icon. Thank you.